Hi, welcome to Profitable Forex. Okay, so today we're gonna be looking at the trading strategy that's gonna change your life. Okay, so here we are on Volatility 25. Okay, the strategy, you can use it for any of the assets, currency pairs, synthetic indices, whatever, even crypto trading. Okay, so here we are on volatility indices. This strategy is not dependent on any indicator, it's purely price action. Purely price action. Okay, so if you are that trader that uses indicator or depends on indicator and you haven't been successful, or you have been having series of losses, this strategy is for you. Okay, so I want you to stick to the end of this video. Watch this video to the end because I'm going to give away a course at the end of this video, so do not miss this giveaway. Okay, especially if you're a beginner, trader, or you're a trader that depends on indicator only, the giveaway is for you. So watch the video to the end so you partake on this giveaway. Okay, so here we are on volatility indices. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame. You can see we took series of trade and we are currently on profit. So what influenced our decision in taking this trade? Okay, remember we are basing our decision on price action analysis. Okay, so you can see this is 1 hour time frame and you can see how many candlesticks we have profited. Okay, so let me move to the 4 hours time frame to explain this better. Okay, so on the 4 hours time frame here, before you take a trade, firstly you have to go to the higher time frame. Okay, to the higher time frame like this, and okay, so you identify the key levels. Okay, so mark out your key levels. Okay, so over here we have resistance and support zones. Okay, so firstly I noticed the support zone over there, and I saw the price has hit the support zone and it started retracing. Okay, so and not just that, looking at that support zone, there was presence of a reversal chart pattern. Okay, and which is the double bottom. Okay, so if you don't know what the double bottom are, stay glued to the video and watch it to the end, and you are gonna get a giveaway course that will teach you all that you need to know about price action trading. Okay, so here we identify the reversal chart pattern, which is the double bottom, and we based our decision on this. It made me confident that the price is going to change direction. Okay, so what I did was to mark out the key levels, okay, with my trend line. So I marked it out with my trend line. Okay, come and get your trend line too, and you mark out your trend line. Okay, so if you don't know how to draw your trend line, okay, watch the video to the end to get a giveaway course that will teach you all that you need to know about price action trading. Okay, so I drew the trend line and I waited for price to break the trend line, and when the price broke the trend line, and I entered for a buy. Okay, so I entered for a buy. Trend line, when the price broke the trend line, I entered for a buy, and you can see it's been bullish. Okay, after the break you can see it's been bullish. Can you see that? Okay, so and this is massive profit. Remember, this is 4 hours time frame. Okay, this is 4 hours time frame and it's massive profit, guys. So that's how to trade using your price action analysis. Okay, so that's how to trade. You can see that, and you can use this for any asset, guys. You can use this for any asset, your currency pair. You can use a strategy for your currency pairs. You can use it for your synthetic indices. You can use it for boom and crash, guys. It's all round. Okay, it's all in one strategy. So that's how to trade. So okay, so if you are not sound in your price action analysis, probably you are dependent on indicator to make decisions about your trade. Okay, the giveaway course is for you. Make sure you grab it. You grab it because it's just gonna be for few persons, guys. It's gonna be for few persons, so do not miss out. Do not miss out. Okay, so this is how to make decisions, take your analysis based on price action and not dependent on indicators, and you are going to make massive profit, guys. Okay, here comes the giveaway, guys. Here comes the giveaway. Okay, I have seen so many persons, you know, struggling to make profits trading, and I've seen so many people blowing several accounts, like blowing several accounts, and I feel for this set of people, guys. I feel for them. Okay, And it has also come to my notice that a lot of people want to learn how to trade. Okay, they want to learn how to trade, but they can't afford the fee. Okay, they can't afford the fee given out by mentors. Okay, I'm so touched, and I want to give out. I want to help some persons. I want to help some set of persons. Okay, I want to help some set of persons. Our standard mentorship fee is $100. Okay, but I want to help some persons by giving them this opportunity to learn. So if you're really serious about your trading career, you really want to learn, okay? So you have to participate in this giveaway. Do not miss out. Do not miss out because I don't think this opportunity is gonna come around anytime soon, okay? So I don't think it's gonna come around again anytime soon. So do not miss out, okay? So here is the giveaway. For you to qualify for this giveaway, I'm gonna give away the course. I'm gonna give away a mentorship program for just okay, okay. I'm trying to think about uh something people can afford. Okay, okay. So I'm gonna give away a mentorship training. Okay, you're gonna have one-on-one training. Okay, you don't have to be jumping from channels to channel, videos to videos. You know, I'm gonna coach you from scratch to a pro trader. Okay, and just for few persons, and it's just for the first 20 pesos, just first 20 pesos, please. And you're watching this video in July 2023, so do not come across this video years later and you come and and you come and say you qualify for this giveaway. Please, it's just for the first 20 persons, okay, that qualify for the giveaway. And I'm gonna give it away for just $15. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna give it away for just $15. For just $15. I want to help some certain persons and just 20 persons. After these 20 persons, if you need mentorship training, it's gonna be the standard fee. Okay, so the first 20 persons to qualify for this giveaway will get our mentorship training for $15 only. Okay, so for you to qualify for this training, firstly, you have to subscribe to this channel, okay? Then you turn on your notification bell. Not just subscribe, you subscribe and you turn on the notification bell and take a screenshot of it. And okay, use the link in the description of this video, the WhatsApp link, and send a proof that you have done this. Okay, so that is one requirement to qualify for this giveaway. And okay, so the second requirement is that you have to be um a beginner. Okay, you have to be a beginner. I want to help beginners. You have to be a beginner or a struggling trader. Okay, if you are the type that have always wanted to learn price action and you have not been opportuned, or you have not been able to afford this training, you also qualify for this. So that is just it. That is just it. I don't want to make it too complex. Okay, I don't want to make it too complex because it's not a competition. Okay, so it's just a willing giving. Okay, so if you qualify, I said just 20 persons, please 20 persons. I don't want more than that. First 20 persons to do this, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and okay, you qualify for this. You qualify for this giveaway. So that is how to trade. Okay, using your price action. And okay, if you need more information, join the giveaway course. Okay, and you will get trained from scratch to becoming a pro trader. All right, thanks for watching. If you got value from this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when we post many more great videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.